What's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kerry. It's another kind of time here that I have come out here to say a word of thank you. Thank you for everyone who has come back here to watch my channel again. Whoever is new here, my name is Kerry Mission from my YouTube channel. Thank you again. I can't stop thanking you day and night. Every time you come back here, I'm very much happy supporting me from the village here. I'm very much happy, but today I am not feeling well and I have come out here, just down here near the stream is just down here. So I have come to collect some fruits from here so that I can go and make a little bit of juice, because I'm not feeling well. That's why I've come I myself to look for some fruits here, because we have some passion fruits down here. That's the thing that has made me to come out here. I'll show you where the passion fruits are. Here at the village we don't buy passion fruits. They are here at the garden here at the side here, as you can see here. Also we have some bananas. These are some bananas here. Others are up here, we are going to see them. And these are some tea leaves here. Here, this is our cash crop, like the tea leaves are our cash crop here at this village here in Graccey Highland. The passion fruit, this is the lacquat fruit, but then the passion has grown from down here and it is up there. So you have to go up like this, or you have to use a tree just to plug down the passion fruit. But now others are falling down, like you can see here. This is ripe and it is just down here. They fall when the rain is heavy, so you can come and pick them from the ground. That is it. You can see how they are up here. These are the passion fruits. So we don't buy passion fruits here, as you can see here. We are very much blessed with some fruits here. Also we have some sugarcane. I'll show you the sugarcane here. So we can see those ones that are ripe, and then I will pack them and go with them, so that I go and do some juice, or I will eat them just the way they are right. I'm very much happy. You leave some comments here if you have some fruits, some passion fruits at your home, as here at the village here, where, as you know, passion fruits are very expensive, as you can see. But then here at my home here we have the passion fruits. These are it. This is another one. Also this is a lacquat tree, but then the passion fruits are up here. You can see them. So this one is ripe. We can pluck it out like this. It is ripe. This one is ripe. Also these ones, they will be ready this week, and then we gonna see. That is it. So these are the sugar canes, but there are other sugar canes that are ready. As we go up, I'll show you where the sugar canes are. See, this is the passion fruits. I've been telling you that you're gonna pick them when the rain has rained. So this is how we pick them. So I will put them in this bag here. Yes, up there also you can see them. They are very high. So yeah, this one is ripe. This one is ripe. Yeah. As we go up, see, even up there, you can see them. Actually, they are very high. So there is someone, my brother comes with a stick, and they will harvest it like tomorrow maybe, because now it has rained, and I myself, I cannot go up the tree and pick the passion fruits. That's why you can see them up there. You can see them up there. They are ripe. See how they are ripe. So we are very much happy. We don't buy passion fruits here, as you can see. Also there are some bananas there. It is a mixture of plants here. This is the tea leaves as I had shown you already. Yeah, that is it. Leave some comments here if this is it, this is how your garden looks, or your place looks, or your village looks like this one here. I'm very much happy as I don't buy fruits now. We have the passion fruits. As you know, they are very expensive. Like a kilo it goes like $1.50. That is $1.50 USD. That is it. Hope you enjoyed this video here, and leave some comments here as we are heading to 1,000 subscribers. I'm very much happy. I thank everyone. This is a coffee plant, but you can see actually it is a coffee plant. Here we don't plant some coffee. There are other people who have also coffee at their plots or their plantations. With us here is only tea leaves, as you can see. Yeah. So with there are some types of coffee. There are those ones that are short. Actually, from my agriculture, I've forgotten how we call them, those short ones. And these ones, they are those long ones that they grow from here up to. They can bend so that when you want to pluck the fruits, see how the fruits are. But because here people are relying so much on the tea leaves, but the other places, in the nearest places here, you can see the coffee plantations. So I think they had added the sugarcane here because of the space. Also, if you have some children at your home, they also need some sugarcane. Instead of going to buy sugarcane, you can put a little at your garden so that your children also don't miss some sugar canes when they see other people, neighbors having some sugar canes. You can pluck them from your garden so that you can give to your children instead of buying from people. That is it. I think you are so much happy from this village here. Also, the village is very green. We are not in a desert. We are very much blessed. You can see down from here up to down there. See how it is. We are very much blessed. People don't buy. You only buy like salt, sugar. That is it. That's the only thing that you can buy here at the village. You can also see the sun. This is the sunset. It is around like 5 now, and you can see the sunset. Here we are very much blessed. It had been raining, but then the sun came up again, and even now you can see here the storms. You can hear the storms, so it wants to rain again. Maybe tonight it's gonna rain again. Yeah, having even up there, people have tea leaves. That's the cash crop that gives them some money here. They have to work hard so that this is where you get school fees from for the children, also for the food that you usually eat at the house. This is the coffee that I've been telling you. But we don't do the coffee here. There are some people, our neighbors here, also the Kikuyu. Those ones from the other side, those ones, they are the ones who plant the coffee plantations. Also, you can see this banana plant in here. I don't know how you call it. See how it is. Those are very big leaves. See how it is. I don't know how they call them. Even my language, I don't know how they call it. Maybe if you have never seen, if you have seen it somewhere, see how it is. If you have seen it somewhere, you can leave some comments how the name of this this banana here. It has some seeds. The fruit has some seeds inside. So here you can see this one is ripe here. This one is ripe. So we can pluck it. We're gonna eat it today. Even this one's ready. Even this one is ready here. See, you can see they are falling here. This one's ripe. This one's ripe. When it rains, you get that they fall down because of the rain, and because they are ripe, that's why you can see them on the ground. See, this one's ripe here. Yeah. I put them in, so you see they are just on the other leaves. So because they are ripe, when it is ripe, it just falls down. You will find it on the ground. So this is it. See how it is. We're gonna taste it now. Wow, sugary, very lovely. This taste is sugar. Maybe I will end this video here. Hope you enjoyed this video. Leave some comments here. For those ones who are new here, kindly subscribe to my channel. Leave some comments here. Oh. If this is how your village looks. Thank you so much, and thank you for coming back here. Bye bye, ciao ciao. Let's meet in another video. Subscribe, leave some comments, click the bell so that when I upload another video, you will find time for watching. Thank you so much. Bye bye, ciao. Boom boom.